Digital Marketing Strategy by Deja Jones. New product alert. My company is creating a new product for all my dog lovers, which is our target audience. Does your pet miss you while you're away at work or doing other things? Well, we have the perfect product for you. We know you will love our new voice-activated dog charms. Talk to your dog anytime with any smartphone with your phone home dog tag. So what's the plan? Every product that is being manufactured needs a plan behind it. Today we're going to talk about the digital marketing strategy. Now, digital marketing strategy is just an umbrella term for all of our online marketing efforts. The first step in the digital marketing plan is the digital marketing audit, which is basically how we will measure our online marketing success. The first thing to start with is the metrics that inform, like monthly visits to our website, monthly visits to our website from email, and monthly visits to our website from social media. Now, numbers that measure that success are like the number of Facebook likes that we have, are our likes increasing, are our shares increasing? Also, the size of our email list, is it growing? Also, the number of Twitter followers we have, are our followers going up? Now, these are the best ways to measure our online marketing success because it gives real numbers to show if we are meeting our goals. If numbers are increasing, we are doing good. If numbers are decreasing or staying the same, then we know that we need to change the game plan. The next step in our digital marketing strategy would be the primary objectives. Now, basically, you have to establish objectives for your marketing efforts. So the phone home dog tag objectives for this quarter are to grow Facebook followers and shares, to drive more traffic to the website, to make a bigger name for the company in the pet industry, also to grow the email list and to be able to expand and create more products. Now, once the company has grown 10 to 20% in these areas, then I know that we are creating SMART goals because these goals are attainable in the time frame which I should have them completed. Now, the next step in the digital marketing strategy process is to identify channels. Like, how are we going to get this done? So for this quarter, I'm going to be using 4 different channels to leverage in, bringing my objectives to life, and the main channels are going to be social media, Facebook, Twitter. I'm going to need those shares. I'm going to need those likes. Also, the shares and likes is going to lead to more emails, and then more emails being sent out, sharing testimonials. We'll also have videos online on our website sharing how to use the product and testimonials from customers. Now, the next step in the digital marketing strategy process is to identify resources and a budget. Basically, where do we get the help from? How are we going to get this started? So, a good resource to help the phone home dog tag company would be design resources. Design resources like Canva.com help small businesses or large businesses, just businesses that want to start off getting their product designed. Canva is a good website to go to. Now, getting a product made means that money's going to need to be spent. And with these products, money will have to be spent on prototypes and testing just to make sure that the product, is safe and able to flourish on the market. Now, creating products, there's always going to be legal things like copyrights. Now, there are copyright resource websites like copyright.gov that lists there's so many resources on there and links to help with products, like product licensing, registering products, just to make sure everything is good and ready to go with the product, to make sure there's nothing that's going to be like, oh no, this has already been used before, you can't use this name. definitely that website's going to help with that. Now, growth is definitely something to measure in any plan. And I feel like with our main focus this quarter is social media content. I feel that after we have had social media on lock, then it will be more realistic to have more email success, because the more people that know about us, they will be like, okay, well, I already know about this company. I don't mind giving my email address. So the next quarter, we should be so exposed from social media that email marketing will boom as well. Now, with any company or any plan that's going to get started, I feel like ethical issues may come up. And one ethical issue that could arise is someone pretending that we met our quarterly goals so that there will be no penalizations towards anyone. And I feel like that is a bad thing. Lying about where the company's success is can really put a business in a bind, because it's just always important to tell the truth. Because if a goal is not met and then passed on like it has been met, then the company can't find the areas that need improvement. And that is really the only way to keep your business successful, is once you see that a need has not been met, a goal has not been met, okay, well, what do we need to do to improve that so that goal can get met? And if it's being passed on that all the goals are being met, then the company's just going to see declining sales and declining numbers and wonder why, and it's going to be because somebody's passing them on that they're met and they're not. Always, always tell the truth. Even if numbers aren't met, it's not always about the numbers. It's just making sure that a company is being honest, because if a company's not being honest, then customers are not going to want to buy their product. And here are my references.